Hello, dear ones. Are you ready for the 888, the Lionsgate portal? What a beautiful magic of numbers is happening on the 8th of August 2026. So 888 is coming together. Okay, and see, the magic of 2026 is 1. It is coming in the month of August and it is ending up to 1, the number of sun, the number of Leos. Okay, that is the number of sun, right? Where Leos are governed by the sun. So the 888. Know one thing about the 888. Now, when you focus on the number 8, what do you see? Yeah? It's a never-ending number. It's a number of infinity. Okay? Or you put it infinity. This is infinite, right? You put it straight, it becomes the number 8. So you have the infinity number over here. So whatever we are asking tomorrow, so we have the 3 times infinity. Can you believe that? The 8, 8 and the other 8 over here. So we have the most abundant of things tomorrow because we have this infinity in the number 8. All right. So whatever you are going to put in tomorrow is going to return to you, because it never ends. It's just a flow. So it goes, it comes back. It goes, it comes back. So what do you want for tomorrow? What is it that you want to manifest in your lives? What is it that you want so much that it's like you've been waiting for long for it to happen? Think about that. And then you take this number 8, okay? Now in this 8, I would prefer that you write the 8 the way I'm showing you, this way, okay? Not this way. You're going to write the 8 like this because we want the infinity here. Of course, this is also infinity, but we are putting it like this, okay? Write it 3 times, and in that, you write down your wishes. One by one, you write down your 3 wishes in the 8, 8 and 8, okay? All this you're writing, okay? In this kind of a 8, when you make the figure 8, over here you're writing your wishes, okay? The whole wish is going to be like this, written 3 times. The 3 wishes are going to be written. Remember something for tomorrow. 8 3s are 24. So 2 plus 4 is 6. What is the number 6 for? The number 6 is the number of Venus, the number of prosperity, the number of material pleasures, material gains. So once again you have all the gains coming in. 8 plus 8 plus 8. Alright? So you'll write that on a paper. 8 plus 8. Now you write the proper 8. 8 plus 8 plus 8, and then is equal to 24. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Now you write the 6 in a big letter, okay? But the big, format. You just write the big number 6 like that, okay? And then what are you going to do? Purposely I have not made any paper and all because I want you to follow what I'm saying, okay? Then from all the areas, okay, from all the directions for the number 6, like you put arrows that are coming towards the number 6, and on each arrow you are going to write down your material wishes. Whatever are the material wishes, you're going to write them down over here because they are coming towards you. The number 6, this is the number of Venus, is going to give you this material prosperity, whatever you are wanting, okay? You want a vehicle, you want a house of your own, your job which pays you very well, whatever, your children, blessings, material blessings upon them, whatever, a lot of money, a lot of abundance, whatever is your material things, they're all coming down like this. From all directions, you're putting the arrows. As many you want, you can put whatever your wants are, material wants and needs, okay? You'll put it on that number 6, which is written big. Do this to manifest whatever you want, as we had done for the 888. We are already having the 3 times the 8. So our 3 main wishes, whatever they are, can be anything. It can be regarding your health, it can be regarding your spiritual evolution, it can be regarding the love of your life or your soulmate. It can be regarding a new country. It can be regarding something for your country also, something nice for your country, something, it can be regarding the world peace also. Yeah, it can be regarding your children, it can be regarding your parents, it can be regarding you, your life partner, whatever those are, you can write down in those 3 8s, okay? And then afterwards, as I said, 8 plus 8 plus 8 is equal to 24. And then you write is equal to big number 6 below on that paper, and then from all arrows coming in and all your material, whatever manifestations you want materially, you so. All right, now one thing you have to remember for tomorrow. What is that one thing that you will remember for tomorrow? It's very, very important that you have to keep it in your mind, okay? And that one thing that you're going to remember for tomorrow is you're going to speak only good things. Because remember, the number 8 is what you give is what you get. It's a karmic number. It's very much a karmic number, okay? It is a number of transformation also. So what are you going to send in the universe tomorrow? Don't say anything bad about anybody tomorrow. Avoid saying any negative stuff. Some people can try to make you angry. Just say, I forgive. Tomorrow, you don't utter anything negative. Unless and until you are very pure inside in your center, nothing negative. You don't need to say anything negative when you are in your center, okay? You just say, I surrender it to the divine, okay? Somebody might say anything very, bad to you. Just look at them and smile. And know inside is that if they are doing it, they are going to get it so many folds back, okay? Each 8 here is 100 times going to come back to you. So 300 times they are going to multiply that negativity inside of them. Well, you have smiled at what they said and you have returned it to the giver. You don't want that, okay? So you just return it to the giver. I am not the receiver of anything negative. I am not the sender of anything negative. This has to be your affirmation for tomorrow. That is the 888. That means tomorrow means in some countries it's already today. Okay. And another thing that you have to keep in mind, my dear ones, is that you don't do anything wrong. Whatever wrong you will do today, it is going to return to you 300 folds. Imagine that. One bad thing you have done, you have said, then be ready, you're going to get it 300 times. You don't want that to happen. All right? Another thing that I would like to tell you, my dear ones, with this beautiful, beautiful 888 energy that is going to be there. The sun's energy is going to be very, very powerful also. This abundance energy is going to be powerful. The Venus material abundance, the goddesses are going to be ready to bless you also. So you don't want to spoil those chances. You don't want to, because what we are, that purity, that innocence that we carry inside of us, that we came with, you don't want to spoil that for somebody else's negativity. Let them, they are going to pay very soon, and let them be taken care of. Today we are just going to speak only positive things. Give compliments to people. Not just because I want something in return, but just feel that inside of you. That beautiful energy, you emit it. Because only when you emit, you get it, right? So that is what happens. Now what you have to do, my dear ones, another thing that I would like to tell you to do is that you have to say certain affirmations. Okay, those affirmations tomorrow, anytime in the day, whenever you have the time, morning, afternoon, evening, whenever you have the time, you just close your eyes and you just sit in a meditation state. If you cannot sit like this, doesn't matter. You just sit like this. Why I do that? Because it's about the energy, okay, that I am accepting towards me, all right? So you just say at that time, I am very, very abundant. You have to say with your closed eyes and feel that abundance. I am very, very abundant. The universe is blessing me. I am very, very abundant. The universe is blessing me. I am so lucky. I am so lucky. I am so lucky. Miracles are pouring in my life every second of my life. Miracles are pouring in my life every second of my life. I am getting good news from all directions. I am getting good news from all the directions. I am getting good news from all the directions. The best opportunities are coming towards me. The best opportunities are coming towards me. The best opportunities are coming towards me. I am a pure soul, blessed by the divine. I am a pure soul, blessed by the divine. I am a pure soul, blessed by the divine. I am blessed by everyone. I am blessed by everyone. I am blessed by everyone. Solutions to my problems are coming now. Solutions to my problems are coming now. Solutions to my problems are coming now. If you're looking for a life partner, a soulmate, or a particular person, you can just think about them. Have their picture in your mind. You don't need the picture to look at. Just in your mind, because you love them, because you want them. Yeah, just in your mind, you say, if this person is good for me, this person is coming in my life soon. If this person is good for me, this person is coming in my life soon. If this person is good for me, this person is coming in my life soon. And likewise, you can just do the affirmations of your choice, be it for your job, be it for your health, when you can say, I am being healed today. I am being healed today. I am being healed today. Say it with full energy inside of you, and you will see this energy itself is going to just be, covering you with those blessings. And when you're saying it, what are you doing? This energy, this voice energy is getting transmitted all into the universe, and the universe has your back, is listening. The goddesses, the divine energies are listening. The divine family is listening to you. And the magic begins. And the portal is open. And the abundance is flowing into your life in this way. You're infinitely blessed. You're eternally blessed. You're eternally loved. You're eternally healed. You are successful. Okay? So just say those, and you will see how things get unblocked on your path, how things start moving. Okay? So just do that, my dear ones. And happy, happy, happy manifestation 888 landscape portal to you all. And just, send that love, send that happiness, send that beauty that you want to be returned. Send it to the world, and it's going to come back to you. Okay? Whatever goes comes back. This is what the 888 is all about. The 8 number is about you give, you receive. You give, you receive. Okay? So just be mindful of what you want to receive and send it to the world. Send it to everyone tomorrow, my dear ones. So thank you for listening, and please do let me know, how did you feel? Did you do it? And how was your feeling, overall feeling? Did you do it from inside, and how does it feel? You will let me know that also. And please do share this video with many people, because you're sending this energy of joy, of happiness, of manifestation to others. And when you give something nice to others, something nice comes back to you also. Take care, and see you next time. Bye bye. God bless. Bye.